Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a short one today. Just doing a follow-up video regarding an earlier video I made talking about the Wealthsimple stock loan program. So if you haven't watched that video already regarding the stock loan program, the video is in the description. So it's been over a month, so did I make any money by loaning out my stocks? Before we start, please remember to hit the like button as well as subscribe. We're like inches away from 1,000 subscribers. I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. Alright, let's see how much we made. Drum roll please. 25 cents. So I loaned out 19 shares of Good Food stocks for 1 month between August 15th and September 15th, and I made 25 cents in interest. But hold on paper, I actually lost money. Now that might be confusing. I obviously made money off interest. Why did I say I lost money? Well, in my first video of Wealthsimple stock loans, I stated that one of the risks was people only borrow volatile stocks to short. Nobody's gonna borrow McDonald's stocks to short. It's just not gonna happen. It's way too stable. And by the way, just a brief overview. Shorting stocks is selling stocks that you don't own in hopes that the price will fall and then buying the stocks back and then returning the stocks to its original owner. Now, let's see why we lost money. The period in which people borrowed my Good Food stock was between August 15th and September 15th. And out of the 123 shares that we owned, we only loaned out 19. Just take a look at this, down 92%. I actually made a video about this a couple months ago regarding how this was the worst investment in my career.
Look at this dude.
Alright, let's see the price of Good Food stock between August 15th and September 15th. Oh, would you take a look at that? Down almost 10%, 8.7%. So yeah, based off interest, I made like 25 cents. But because the stock lost like 8.7% during that time, and I held like 123 shares, the reality was I lost more like $5 instead of making 25 cents. I know, the stock is probably worthless now, but that's really not the point. The point is to show you the risk involved in loaning out stocks. Loaning out shares isn't easy money and low risk like what these brokerages are advertising. What are the benefits of security lending? This is what Wealthsimple says. For shareholders, stock lending offers a relatively low-risk way of earning extra returns for the stocks you already own. That's not true. There's definitely a lot of risk involved in stock lending. The fact is, people usually only borrow risky stocks to short. Obviously, there's other reasons to borrow stocks as well, but if you want to make extra income loaning out shares, guess what? You're gonna need to own risky stocks as well. So overall, stock lending is actually a good feature to have, but it's definitely not something I'll rely on to get extra income. Alright, that's it for today, but hopefully you learned something. Again, please remember to leave a like as well as subscribe to my channel. I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you next time.